Hello dear student, now we are in the class 8 rational number. So in this tutorial we will see the introduction part. In that introduction part we will see how you can plot the rational number on number line. As well as we will see rational number, we will find out the rational number between two particular rational number. So we will first see how you can plot the particular rational number on number line. Suppose if you see the number line, as you learn in the previous classes, in middle we use 0, then in this side we use positive numbers like 1 2 3 so on. So these are the positive number in ascending order, and in this left hand side we use negative number like -1 -2 -3. These are the negative numbers and it is in descending order, this side ascending, this side descending, and 0 doesn't have any sign. So here there is a pairing like 1 -1, 2 corresponding number is -2, here 3 corresponding is -3. So you can see there they are the just one opposite is -1, 2 opposite is -2, 3 opposite is -3. Okay, and if you plot any particular number in between 1 and 2, then you can easily plot the number in between -1 and -2. So that thing we will see in this tutorial, how you can easily plot the number on number line. So in the rational number, you generally plot proper and improper fractional number. Okay, we generally plot proper and improper fractional number. So example of proper is 3/4 and improper is 4/3. So 3 is known as numerator and is denominator. Here 4 is known as numerator and downside 3 is denominator. So denominator means downside number, so that you can easily remember. So here denominator, it means 4 is greater than 3. Here numerator is greater than denominator, and in this side denominator is greater. So that's the reason this is the proper fraction and this is improper fraction. And now we will see how you can plot the proper fraction number. So proper fraction is 3/4. So if the denominator is greater, then it means number is present in between 0 and 1. So we plot the number line. So here we will plot a number 3/4. We got to know it is present between 0 and 1. So downside 4 is there, it means you have to do 4 partition, 1 2 3 and 4th is number itself. Then after that, after 0 you count like 1/4, this is 2/4, this is 3/4, last one is 4/4. So this 3/4 is nothing but this number. Okay, so here we plotted number 3/4. Same procedure you can do for negative number. So it will be present between 0 and -1. So you do 4 partition, 1 2 3 and 4th one is number itself. So this is -1/4, -2/4, -3/4. So here we plotted negative number -3/4. So once we plotted positive, you can easily plot the negative number also. Now we will see improper fraction. So in improper fraction, example is 4/3. So first you convert into the mixed fraction. For that, what you will do, you simply 4 divided by 3 you do. Here in the quotient you will get 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. This is quotient, this is remainder, and this is the divisor. So your formula here becomes quotient, remainder, and D is a divisor, and here D stands for denominator also. So quotient is 1, remainder is 1, divisor is nothing but 3. So here this is your mixed fraction. So your mixed fraction is 1 by 3. Now you know it is greater than 1 but less than 2. So it is present in between 1 and 2. So you plot the number line. You draw the number line. Here center side I use 0, 1, 2. Here -1, -2. So it is present in between 1 and 2, means this side. Then downside 3 is there, so 3 partition 1, 2, 3 is number itself. Then from 1, after 1 you do 1 by 3, then here 2 by 3 comes, so that 1 by 3 is matching with this number. So this is nothing but 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is nothing but our improper fraction number 4 by 3. So this is our answer. If someone asks you negative, then it is very simple. Now you check 1 and 2. Now you check -1, -2. Do 3 partition 1, 2 and 3. So here -1 by 3 comes. Here -2 by 3. So that -1 by 3. So that -1 by 3 is nothing but -4 by 3. So in this way you can easily plot the negative number also. Once you plotted positive, and the same way you can plot the corresponding negative number also. So now here you understood how you can plot the proper and improper fraction. Now we will see the next part of this introduction. Here in the next part we will see rational number between two rational number. We will see rational number between two rational number. Suppose you have the two rational number, like suppose we take same number 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. So their denominator must be same. How you will keep the denominator same? You can check their LCM. So for taking their common denominator, if you see the number, suppose 4 can be divided by 4 but not 3. Then you check the 5 also it is not possible. If you check the number 6 also not possible, can be divided by 3 but not 4. So here you have to check the LCM of 4 and 3. Okay, so if you do like that, then suppose if I use 3, here 1 is there, 4. If I use 4 here 1 is there, then 3 into 4 is what? 12. Okay, so you can keep their denominator same. So by keeping here 12, what you will do? 3 by 4 means if you do 4 into 3, you will get the denominator 12. So 4 into 3, and same number you use here. So it is nothing but 9 by 12. So this is our numbers. Second one is 4 by 3. For keeping the value 12, it is you have to write 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. So here 4 into 4, 16, downside 12 is there. So this is our second number. So 3 by 4 is nothing but 9 by 12, and 4 by 3 is nothing but 6 by 12. So now you can find the mini number between them. So after 9 by 12, 10 by 12 is there, then 11 by 12 is there, 12 by 12 is there, 13 by 12 is there, 14 by 12, 15 by 12. So many numbers are there. And if you want the again more number, so here only 6 numbers we got. If you want again more number, then you can multiply by bigger number also. In question, if they ask you many number between two number, then you have to keep the denominator same and you have to multiply by bigger number. Again, suppose if you multiply both the number by here 2, and here also if you multiply both the number by 2, you will get again more number. So in the exercise corner we will see the more examples, so your doubt will be clear. This is just the introduction video for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.